It is still snowing. It's been snowing since before dawn. You can see the snow that collected today on the railing. Railing is about 4 inches wide. So we're coming up just above 3 inches right now. And this is my beauty that keeps coming down very, very slowly. It curled up. I know you can really see how big it is. This is how wide it is. Over 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet wide. Pure ice. You can see the icicle hanging on it. I can't really knock it down. Even though small pieces keeps coming down. It's quite heavy. There is about 2.5, if not more, lengths. And this huge wide rim of ice and snow. It's gonna fall on a balcony here, so it's not gonna hurt anyone. There's plenty of snow here remaining. We pretty much knocked everything down already. But it is beautiful. Well, in my view, I see things differently. Gonna have to go over the door. There's a big icicle here, and it's hanging all the way down. There's icicles all around. The porch is covered in snow. There's quite a bit of snow on the roof, over 2.5 feet. Oh well, but it is pretty. I love winter.